Introduction to computer generations. Computer generations refer to the stages of development that computers have gone through over the years. Each generation has brought about significant advancements that have transformed the world we live in today. In this video, we will take a journey through the generations of computers, exploring the key features and notable developments. First generation, 1940s–1950s. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes, which were large, inefficient, and produced a lot of heat. During this period, computers were mainly used for calculations in scientific and government settings. Notable examples of early computers from this era include ENIAC and UNIVAC. Second generation, 1950s–1960s. During the second generation, we saw a transition to transistors, which were smaller and more efficient than vacuum tubes. This led to the development of more compact and faster computers. Programming languages like Fortran and COBOL were also introduced during this period. Third generation, 1960s–1970s. The third generation saw the advent of integrated circuits, which were smaller and denser than transistors. Mainframe and mini-computers became popular during this period, and operating systems like Unix were developed. Fourth generation, 1970s–1980s. The fourth generation marked the introduction of microprocessors, which made it possible to build personal computers, PCs, and graphical user interfaces, GUIs. Companies like Apple and IBM played a significant role in this era. Fifth generation, 1980s–1990s. The fifth generation brought about advancements in parallel computing and artificial intelligence, AI. Supercomputers were also introduced during this period. Sixth generation, 1990s–2000s. The sixth generation saw the proliferation of the Internet and the World Wide Web, which transformed the way we communicate and access information. This period also marked the rapid growth of the digital era. Seventh generation, 2000s present. The seventh generation has been characterized by the rise of smartphones, tablets, and cloud computing. Technology has become increasingly integrated into our everyday lives, from the way we access information to how we interact with one another. Future generations. Looking into the future, emerging technologies like quantum computing and neuromorphic computing hold the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. These technologies are still in their early stages, but they are already showing great promise. Conclusion. Throughout history, computer generations have transformed our world in ways that were once unimaginable. The pace of change shows no signs of slowing down, and we can only speculate on what the future has in store. As we reflect on the past and look to the future, it is clear that technology has the power to change the world for the better.